What's up YouTube? So today I'm going to introduce you to some single leg isolations. We're going to work on a bit of leg strength, also balance, coordination, core strength. I'll show you what we're going to get up to today. So today we are going to get up to some ummies on single legs. Alright, so it's going to be a bit of a challenge for your supporting leg. Never mind, let's go. Before I carry on and teach you, please hit like, subscribe, follow. And if you like my videos, please share them. Be very, very grateful. Thank you. Okay, alright, so let's get started with a bit of a warm up. I would like you to bend into your heels, so bend your knees and sink into the heels of the feet. Connect your heels firmly to the floor. Scissor your thighs forward and back. You've been training with me for a while, you know exactly what this is by now. Also, do you like my new costume? I love it. Push your hips up and down. So you need to make sure the hips are going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Chest is lifted as usual. Shoulders are down. Neck is long, 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 long. And we're going to alternate between tummy pops. So tummy pops, you're going to squeeze your belly in and release that. You imagine your belly button is going to touch your spine. Contract the muscles, release, but keep your chest up, keep your shoulders down. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. All right. So in, out, keep the weight into the heels. 1, 2. All right, let's go into our shimmy again. It's 1, 2, 3. I'm just stopping this from jingling as much. I didn't realize it was as loud as that. All right, 7 and belly. Goes. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. One more round. Shimmy. 1, 2. Right through the heels. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to introduce you now to the single leg isolations before we try to put our army on top, okay? So, let's start on this leg. Sink into the heel, specifically, okay? You're going to come into classical position on this leg, okay? Make sure this heel stays firmly on the floor. We're going to go from here to here. Now, I call this position flamingo leg because, wow, a flamingo stands on one leg just like that, right? That's why I call it flamingo leg. So up and down. Now when you raise your leg, you're trying really hard to keep your balance. Okay, so you don't want you to be pushing and wobbling and doing all of this. No, try to sink into the heel, and then everything is stacked, right? So you're gonna bring the leg up, leg down. When you bring your leg up, try to keep your leg at 12 o'clock. Don't let it go crazy. Okay, have to point directly forward the whole time. If you're struggling to balance and you need some support, hold on to a wall or something, or table, chair, bed, whatever you need to, but then try to let go as soon as you can so that you know you're using your muscles and you're not relying on support. Okay, let's change legs. Sink into this heel, put classical position, leg up, leg down, leg up, leg down. Again, making sure you're keeping your knees facing forward at 12 o'clock the whole time. Yes, hands on your hips for 4. And again, hold on to the support if you need to. You shouldn't be wobbling everywhere. If you are, this whole purpose of this exercise is to help you balance whilst you're dancing, okay? All right, we're gonna go into our ummies. I'm not gonna break it down. I'm gonna do a quick overview, but you can always go to the circle series and learn how to do an ummy properly, okay? Otherwise, come to my school and I'll teach you properly, okay? Okay, so pushing up through this heel, hip goes up. Tuck at the front, push up at the side, push up at the back. Push up at the side, up at the front, up at the side, up at the back. And my heels are in the floor the whole time. So I'm drawing my circle, all right? So my ummy, nice interior, muscular circle. Keep your chest lifted, shoulders down and long neck. So my classes are on Zoom live. If you want to join me live, and you get the class recordings afterwards if you wish. I give you loads of feedback, loads of advice, loads of tips. Otherwise, if you can't come to classes live or you don't want to see face, then you could do the online subscription membership pre-recorded videos instead. So the classes are recorded. You can watch the course, the videos in your own time if you like. Okay, so circle, 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 and another direction. Okay, so you're really sinking into the floor. You're really trying to keep your chest still. You're really trying to keep your shoulders down, and you're like really long. Okay, for 4, 3, and 2, and 1, relax. Okay, so we're going to try to do that on the legs. On one leg, You'll be surprised at how hard that is, okay? So I want you to sink into your supporting leg, classical position for me, please. And then from here, we're gonna do 4, say it with me, 4, 4, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Ooh la la, you got that? Let's try it. Now I don't mind which way your ummy goes, but just make sure when you change legs, you ummy the other direction. Okay, so sink into your heel, shift the weight back and on top. All right, hands on your hips for now if you like, otherwise put them out for support. If you're really stuck, use something for support, but try your best not to. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, flamingo. Keep your legs still, your knees still. 2, 3, 4, leg down. 2's 1, 2. Your supporting leg should be screaming right by now. Singles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's run the jump, point your toe. Bring your leg around the back, bring it behind, and let's change legs. All right, sink into the heel for me. Shift back, sit. All right, are you okay? Are you okay? You got this? Let's go. Circles. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg down. 1, 2. Leg up. 3, 4. And down, up. Try to be fluid with it. Change legs. Okay, one more time each side. We'll call it a wrap, okay? So shift back, sink, ummies. 1, 2, 3, 4. Leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 1, 2. Leg up. 1. If you like the music, it's called Sands of Time, as in sand, and of Time by Tribal from the Trap. Tribal from the Trap is my style, tribal fusion, but there's loads and loads of music by Tribal from the Trap as well, okay? So sink, off we go, last time. Enjoy it. Now see if you can give it some flavor if you can, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Ah! Final time to do our shimmies and tummy pops to finish. I'm going to stop this from jingling so much. And shimmy. Sink into the heels. Push your hips up and down. 8, 7, smile, chest up. 5, 4, 3, 2, tummy. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze and shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, and bow. Well done. See you next time. Thank you.